to the code now. So I'm going to go ahead and just run .NET run Twitter clone. And then I'm going to go ahead and refresh these 2 pages on the right. So we see that we have 2 different pages. What's cool about this is that we also have a home page. However, if you try to click on that, it says that you must log in before visiting the home page. So with that, we need to register a user. So in order to register a user, we're going to go ahead and just create a user named 1 with a password of 1. And with a key, we can just do this, which is an actual lengthy RSA key just for the sake of the demonstration. And once we register the user, we should be redirected to the login page. And if we try to register the user again with the same information, we shouldn't be allowed to do that because it's already registered. So we already have the user registered, and we're going to go ahead and log in. And now we have the home page, right? And I'm going to go ahead and do this same thing with the user down here. It's going to be a user called 2, different key here, and then we're going to go ahead and log in again. And on top of that, if we also have a different login combo, so if we do like 23, for example, try to log in, invalid request, wrong username and/or password, right? So that's good there. So now we're logged in as user 1 and we're logged in as user 2. We can try the different functionalities here. So user 1, for example, say we want to follow user 2, we can go ahead and do follow, boom. User 1 followed you, you followed user 2. So that's already cool. Say we want to follow someone that doesn't exist, such as user 3. It's going to say that user 3 isn't registered, right? If we want to unfollow them, we can also just do that. You unfollowed user 2. But then again, say we want to unfollow them again, invalid request, whatever. So we want to go ahead and follow them again. So user 1 followed you, right? We don't want to let people know when they've been unfollowed. Real Twitter doesn't do that either, so that's good. And then let's go ahead and just look at some of the tweet functionality. So for the tweeting, we can go ahead and tweet hello, #world at user 2, right? And we want to go ahead and tweet that, right? So then when we go ahead and we search the mentions, we're going to go ahead and check the search results here and see what happens. And when we search a mention, we can search at 2, and it'll say user 1 tweeted hello world at 2. So we can go ahead and check that out, and we can even see that in user 2 as well, right? So that's cool because we can go ahead and communicate data like that. If we want to search a hashtag, we want to see world. So we want to see if world is a hashtag, and it is in fact tweeted right here. So that works as well. We can also search for hashtags that don't exist, and it shouldn't return any new results. And then we can search for mentions of people that don't exist, and it shouldn't return anything new as well either. So yeah, that'll pretty much about do it. Here's where all the feed gets updated. Here's where all the search results get updated. And then if one wants to log out, you can just go ahead and click on the logout button, and it'll say that the WebSocket's been disconnected. Therefore, that's an actual logout. So yeah, that'll pretty much about do it. Thank you very much for watching the demo.